Ah, the Penoy. So what's this small one? Kwek-kwek. What's inside? 20 pesos. 20 pesos. And what's this? Oh, tofu. Also, can I have this and the tofu? 10 pesos?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. What's your name, Ate? Leonora. Okay. How can I say thank you in Tagalog? Salamat. 30 pesos for this tofu, and quail egg. Okay, we should tip. Thank you. Salamat. So let's try this kwek-kwek and tofu of Ate. I love the savory sour taste. Can you teach me what is sour or savory in Tagalog? Thank you.